So, if you have been following my channel, you have been seeing that we did take this trade here, and you can see how gone a little against us. No worries, that's why we'll be taking small trades. So if you go here now, we can see that we are minus $19. So you can see it's a risk that we are willing to take, because that's why we take without stop loss. But still, it's just a testing phase. I will make videos a little different going forward, but before I get to that, it's very important what I'm going to say after, so make sure you stay. Below the video you will find link to the broker that I suggest you to get started to use. It's the same one I'm using, have tight spreads, and also you get a bonus by using my link. So you find link below the video. Also you find a link to a broker for the ones that are from United States. Now let's get to it. So I will make videos a little different, make them more exciting. So the way I'm going to do that is that from now on I will now add more to this trade. So I will, every time when I make a video and I take a trade, I will not post the video right away. I will only post the video when I close the trade. So when we close this trade here now, that will be the time I post the video. So next time then, when I make a new video where I'm taking a trade, I only post it when I close the trade. So then you get a conclusion, so it's more fun for you to be in this video. So now let's go in with our trade. Sorry if I'm looking there because I'm trading on my tablet here now. So let's take a trade. Let's make this wider. We take the same amount of trade. Now let's take one extra 5 and we sell. Done. We are not using any martingale or things like this. We are basically just trading with same sizes. Yes, I did take 0.05 instead of 0.04, but it's just because the entrance is much better. Now also let's mark our trade over here, so we have it. So let's make a line here also, there. So now we know we are in these two places. So now you can just stay, because very soon now you will see me close this trade and probably in profit. So let's see. And there we have it. I will now, before I tell more about this, I will close these two trades. Let's see. We close this one. And we close this one. There. We are out. So we turned almost just $1 profit on this trade, but still it's good because we have now basically, we count this as two trades. Yes, I know we have two trades here, but that is completely fine. And this is how we're going to make videos going forward now. I'm going to open the trades and close the trades in the same video. So it will not be live trading for say more, because I think it's more entertainment for you to see that we are opening and closing the trades in the same video. Okay, so now later today I will be starting looking for a new trade. Like I said, I will only upload that video when I'm closing the same trade, so you can get more action, you can see it, so you don't need to wait for the next video to know if the trade was good or not. So I think this is more fun in the long run, and also you can see if the strategy is working. Also, I made a playlist, so every single video we are making in this now will be in the same playlist. So if you have lost some of the other trades, just go back and see the playlist and you will then see all the trades you're doing. We are going to continue using this strategy. I'm going to build on it. Next time I take a trade, I will explain more certain rules, because now I'm starting to make rules, because we are just learning to trade with this. Figure out, and I'm also going to go for, I have now figured out a way we're going to close the trades. Okay, so that is also a new thing. And also I'm also figuring a little out how big lot sizes we should take to trade super safe. How many I should go in the wrong direction, this is still pending. I'm going to calculate and see, but everything in the end is about so we trade as safe as possible. Because when you start to copy this, the trading style I'm using now, if we choose to use this one here, because there might be another indicator we choose after, but for now this is the way we are trading, and I will add on it, and we will continue using this as long as we see it's profitable. We of course didn't make much today, but it's about the constant. Okay, some days we make good, some days we go in zero, perfect. Maybe we lose something one day also, but it's about how much we are making in percent every single month. That is what we're looking for. So with that, make sure you use the links that you find below the video so you can start trading also with the same broker that I am using. And also you find, if you have in the United States, you find a broker that also. Other than that, I would like you to like this video, make a comment, and if you're so far in the video, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. You that are seeing right now, make a comment below. I was here and I'll be super happy to see you. Okay, with that, have an amazing day.